I had always been drawn to the thrill of physical challenges, and when I discovered parkour, I knew I had found my calling. But as I traveled the city, training and performing, I couldn't help but notice the stark contrast between the natural world and the concrete jungle that surrounded me. That's when I stumbled upon the concept of guerrilla gardening. The idea of sneaking into abandoned spaces and bringing some green to the gray resonated with me on a deep level, and I knew I had to try it. At first, it was just a hobby, something I did on the side to satisfy my desire to connect with the earth. But as soon as I learned more about permaculture and the benefits of growing my own food, I became more ambitious. I began seeking out rooftops and vacant lots, armed with my bag of seeds and a determination to make a difference. And as I traveled from rooftop to rooftop, planting and tending to my gardens, I found myself incorporating elements of parkour into my work. I could use the skills I had honed to navigate the city, leaping and bounding over obstacles as I transformed the gray into a sea of green. Now I spend my days traveling the city, spreading the joy of gardening wherever I go. And as I look out at the gardens I've helped to create, I'm filled with a sense of pride and fulfillment, knowing that I am making a difference, one garden at a time.